Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Morning. Good morning everyone. Nakababa na ako sa baba at nakakuha na ako ng aking breakfast. It's time check. 6:39. So, ayun. And today is Saturday, May 31, the last day of May. And end of May. And our weather for today is about 16 degrees. Ayun, may kopyahan ako eh. 16 degrees tayo, and then ngayong umaga is 16, and mamaya is ang pinaka highest is 25. So as usual, today is Saturday. Wala si Pastora Jenny, nasa Pilipinas, kaya ang aming care group ay hindi sa kanyang bahay, sa church. Mag-care group sa church mamaya 4 p.m. pa. So ayun lang everyone, at mag untik-untik tayo dito. Nagpalit ako ng beddings, and then ito ko sa inyo, yan ang breakfast ko everyone. Kain tayo sa mainit na mangustina kape. Synergy to eh. Kaya ayan, mas gusto ko kasi hindi masyadong matamis. Pero mas maganda yung mas gusto ko yung lasa ng malunggay. Ito kasi mangustina is mix ng mangustin and ano ba yan yung prutas? Guyabano. Yun mix. So ayun lang everyone, magkain tayo habang ako ay mag-e-edit ng YouTube at magwa-watch ng YouTube. Magwa-watch sa YouTube. O, yun lang. Good morning again. Ayan everyone, while editing and watching YouTube, let's eat this kinds of sweet and salty para balance sa katawan. I bought this at the Sainsbury nung magluto ako ng munggo. Hindi ko nilagay lahat, dalawa lang yung nilagay ko, tatlo yung binili ko kasi sabi ko nga gusto kong tikman, pero thank God it's masarap. And this one also, ibang crepes yung binibili ko sa Sainsbury, pero nakita ko to sa Iceland nung Thursday. So it is different taste. Masarap siya in fairness. Hershey's product with the cookies and cream. Diba? Yummy. So let's para hindi tayo magutuman at mamaya pa ako maligo at umalis. So have fun first with this kind of chicharia. So update everyone, 14:02. Hala, 2:01. Naku everyone, Lord, wag mo akong palate. Grabe, update. Ito ang init, grabe. Yan, tayo sa magcha-charge at mag-take tayo ng bus kasi walang district line everyone. So, district line naman ang close ngayon. Kaya dito tayo. Umabot tayo ng ng bus. Umabot tayo dito. So, ayan. Oo. At akala ko kanina 1:30 lang. Tapos ngayon 14:02 na agad. Ay 14:05 na agad. Oh, grabe 'di ba? Ayan everyone. OOTD of the day. Yan o. Mainit. Mainit tayo. Super init. 24 degrees eh. Ay 25 pa pala. Today is 31st of May. Ay. Sorry. Merong ngayon. Ayan. May pabanderita sila kasi meron silang festival, I think. Ayan. Ayan, everyone update. 15:29, nandito ako sa Knightsbridge. Hindi ako nakasakay sa 137. Diretso ng Battersea because it's so tagal. Because of the what do you call that? District lines are closed and basta yun. So from there sumakay ako ng 74. Dito na lang ako bumaba sa Knightsbridge kasi at least dito may 52. Pero ang nakita ko doon may dumaan na 137. Kaya lang syempre hindi pa ako bababa. Hindi pa time pababa. In 2 minutes darating na si 52. So 2 minutes not really. Dito ako sa tapat ng Bulgari. Across the road ng Bulgari. So, ayan ako. Kita nyo ba yan? Yan. Kung nandun sa hindi ito bikini top 99. 2 minutes, everyone. Ako, wag sana ako mahuli sa aking pupuntahan. 450 is coming, everyone. Finally, thank God. Dito lang din ako sa 452 talaga. Kasi mas matraffic naman dito pag nandun ka sa pag nagsakay ka ng 52 tsaka dito. Thank you. And already I'm here inside the bus. So super grabe. Ang weather today is 25, so it's very hot. So ayan ang mga tao nasa labas. Grabe. At punong-puno ang mga bus at saka walang district line, so I don't know if there is a Piccadilly because last week Piccadilly ang close, so ngayon district line naman. I have no choice kundi mag-bus. So ayun lang everyone, see you later and my update for today. Good afternoon. I'm here in Sister Shane. Please forwarding. Bless you. Very nice presentation, everyone. Time check. It's 16:09, 4:09. Yeah. So Sister Chanel is hovering the place. We are here. We're gonna wait for others to come. Yeah. And everyone.
Yeah, I was waiting, even though I'm wearing white.
Finally, they are here. But we are the 2, 4, 5. We are 5. And the seating arrangement is very nice. Have a look. Wow, with Sister Betty and Sister Chanel. Oh, we are just 5, everyone. Where are you? Ah, you forgot. Oh. Have a look. Time check. 19:33. It's 7:33. So, ayan. I'll check 52. Pagkagaling sa church, 452 and then everyone update sa ating ganap going. See. Update. Oh, time check. Eh, ano oras na? Nine. Kain tayo, everyone. 8:45. Ano? 9:45 na pala. Yan, labo na. Kain tayo. Good night. God bless and I love you all. Pagkatapos ng kain, habang watching ng YouTube, everyone. Naantok na ako. Naglaro lang ako ng ayawan.